Hi everyone! In this course we are going to build a RESTful API with Go. My name is Bartłomiej Walczak, but everybody calls me Bart for short. I'm excited to be your instructor throughout this course. I've been involved in web development for quite some time, and in my career I've had an opportunity to work with various programming languages and technologies. 2 years ago I discovered Go, and ever since it became my go-to choice for developing backend architecture. Before we begin, let me tell you what is the goal of this course and what you will need to complete it. In this course we are going to build a RESTful API with Go. This course is divided into 5 sections, each of which builds upon the previous one. Therefore, I suggest that you watch them in order, especially if you are just starting your journey with Go. However, if you only need information about a particular topic, feel free to jump around. You can always go back to fill in the gaps when needed. Section 1 is the introduction that you are watching right now. In Section 2, we are going to build our own API server from scratch. This is going to help us familiarize ourselves with Go native libraries and appreciate the ease of multi-threading. We will also start our journey with Postman. In Section 3, we will outline our API while getting familiar with required RESTful functionality. We will then create our data structures, make the connection to our data store, and implement basic CRUD operations. Finally, we will spend considerable amount of time handling API requests. Next, in Section 4, we are going to make sure that our API actually works the way it's intended by writing unit and performance tests. We will then create a simple memory cache and see how it affects the API performance. In Section 5, we will get to know the Echo framework that makes all the previous steps even easier, while offering a lot of options to customize our API. We're going to rewrite our API using Echo to get into practice, and then extend it using various types of middleware from logging to security. We will also write our own custom middleware to introduce our cache to Echo. At the very end, I'm going to give you some directions on where you can learn more. I'm going to assume that you do have a rudimentary understanding of Go and roughly know what a RESTful API is. Otherwise, some concepts might turn out to be a bit difficult to grasp on the run. You don't need much. If you know what an API is and what makes it RESTful, and what a Go package is and how to write a function that is a member of a structure, and how Go errors are handled, you should be good. Go is one of the simpler languages out there, and the content of this course is suited for both beginners and intermediate developers. If all of this sounds a bit intimidating, don't worry. We'll go through every exercise step by step, and by the end you will not only be able to write your own API, but also have enough background knowledge to get yourself out of trouble that you might encounter on the way. Let's get started.